Good morning, Lola. Lola. What are you having?
Say special K. You can drink.
Dad has staples in his head, doesn't he? Hi, Ick. Did you have a good Christmas, though? I saw you in your sled yesterday and opening presents. What else did you get? Fridge phonics? So you can learn your letters?
The A says eh. The A says eh.
Are you hiding behind your sippy cup? Can you wave hi?
Makes a sound. The A says eh.
No.
Last bite. All gone. Last bite. Yeah, it's all gone. See? All gone. Whoa. Whoa. If you want to eat the little crumbs, we can do that. There aren't any more berries. There's little pieces now, isn't that much?
Take them anyway, hello?
Alright. So how's Mom doing the first day after the treadmill?
Sore. Real sore. I like your bangs, honey. They're very cute. You're a good sharer, aren't you?
We share breakfast. We have special K all the time.
See, here's the deal with this thing, though. I don't really fit both of you in here.
What do you mean?
Like, I don't know. It's like a little lens. I'm zoomed all the way out, but if I put her chin on the bottom, the top of your head gets cut off, which is fine. No one wants to see the staples.
Gotta show the staples. We have to record this in history.
What? You got staples?
Yeah.
No, no one wants to see that, Justin.
They do. I want to see it.
Ugh.
It's my home video.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Lola thinks it's gross. Can you wave bye, honey? You gonna watch Sesame Street?
Zoop.
Cookie Monster? Maybe.